This lesson will very quickly cover Portuguese present participles. Present participles for AR verbs are formed by removing the AR ending and adding ando to the stem. For ER verbs, we remove the ER ending and add endo to the stem. For IR verbs, we remove the IR ending and add indo to the stem. And there are actually no irregular present participles in Portuguese. The verb por has the present participle pondo. For the verb falar, we remove the AR ending and add ando to the stem, giving us the present participle falando. For comer, we remove the ER ending, we add endo to the stem, giving us the present participle comendo. And for decidir, we remove the IR ending, we add indo to the stem, and we obtain the present participle decidindo. And there you have it, a very quick summary of Portuguese present participles. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.